Alright, so today I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to properly lock your Facebook profile and to secure your Facebook information. So last time I made a video tutorial on how to lock your Facebook profile. So this time we're going to use another method. Okay? So to lock your profile and to secure your Facebook information. Okay, so I think let's begin. So in here, using our mobile phone, the first thing you should do is of course download the app called VPN India. Okay, so VPN India. But before we use that particular app, first we're going to open our browser, Google Chrome, and log in our Facebook. So actually, I've created another dummy account for demonstration. So as you can see here, so I've just created this account like 2 minutes ago. And if I'm going to tap this button, as we can see here, there is no option here for Facebook lock profile. Okay, there is no lock profile option. Now, what we're going to do is to go back and um, download the VPN India. This is how it looks like, the VPN India apps. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to first to install that app. So VPN India, type VPN India in our search bar on Google Play Store and then install it. Once you install the said app, then we're going to open it. Of course, we're going to open it, tap open, and let's wait for a few seconds and connect. Okay, so on the bottom part of the screen, so tap connect to India. Okay, so as you can see here, connecting and connected to India, Mumbai 1. Okay, so now the next step is of course, let's go back to Google Chrome. Okay, let's go back to our Facebook account. Okay, Facebook. So let's wait for like a few seconds to update the browser using VPN or new IP address. So now let's proceed to our profile. So click view profile, and if I'm going to tap the setting here, this is now appear the lock profile button. Okay, so lock profile is now visible on your profile settings. So that's how easy it is. Okay, now that we have that lock button, okay, for demonstration I'm going to lock my profile. So lock your profile. Okay, so let's wait for few seconds or less than 10 seconds. So tap OK, and on the settings, so I'm going to click again the three dot symbol. Okay, and I'm going to tap view as. This is how it looks like when you view it. Okay, so I've already locked my profile. So this is actually my dummy account, my newly created dummy account for demonstration. Okay, this is 100% working. Okay, so this is 100% working. Actually, I've tried many attempts or several attempts on doing the same method of creating a new account, dummy account, and using a VPN connected to India, specifically to India or Bangladesh. It's every time that I made this procedure, it actually working, okay, 100%. As you can see here, I've already locked my profile. So now, for our second method, which is of course, you are thinking, oh, it's not going to work on my official account or main account. So it's only work, okay? Disclaimer, it's only work, okay, for um, newly created account which it has no activity history yet or any other information that the Facebook gather from you. Okay, so that is why in our conclusion for that in locking profile, it is 100% working in newly created account. Okay, so you may try it to yourself. Okay, now that we want our Facebook main account, okay, to secure our Facebook information, the thing that we should do is just click or tap the settings and privacy. Okay, setting and privacy. So, and then click privacy checkup. So, this method is the way on how to secure your Facebook information using your old account or main account. Okay, so you'll just have to click or tap this who can see what you share. So actually this button is also visible to your mobile phone if you're going to do this procedure or method on mobile phone. So what you're going to do is to click continue or tap continue, and then as you can see here, email, you could change the setting here, email address, okay, and also the birthday and the hometown, uh, relationship status, your address, okay. So you have the choice to secure it in a way that to change the setting. For example, I'm going to of course hide my let's say for example my birthday. Of course you're going to just tap this button public into only me, okay. So you can do it on the other information, okay, of your Facebook like hometown, relationship, address, current city, work, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to do is just change the setting or the privacy setting into friends or only me. Okay? So that's how easy it is. So friends and following, you may just change it to private or only me or friends only. The same as this, education, work, current city, address, relationship, hometown, birthday, and of course, your own email. Now, let's proceed to the next, which is on in here, your future post is automatically um, only me. Okay? And your stories may be public or friends only. It depends on you. But if you really want to secure your Facebook information, of course, you should have to change the setting into private or only me or friends only. Okay? So friends or only me by clicking or tapping the custom. Okay? Now, in here, limit past posts. By clicking here, change who can see past posts that were public or friends of friends to only friends. Anyone tagged in this post and their family or and their friends may still see them. Okay, meaning to say all of your previous posts, whether it was public or let's say friends of friends, you can just click the limit in which it is automatically set into friends only or even only me, okay, by clicking the limit button. So that's how it's work. So and then click next. After clicking next, after that, um if you want to block some people, it is your own choice, okay. And after clicking next, and you're all set and it is done. Okay? So actually, by using or by doing this method, it secure your Facebook information. Okay? Doing it manually, not just like the uh, first method, which is to lock your Facebook profile. But now there is no option for Facebook or for your main account or old Facebook users. So it is now restricted. Okay, so even if you use some other method like downloading the old version of Facebook Lite, it is ain't gonna work. Okay, so the only method you should do is to secure your Facebook information by doing this method. Okay, and like what I said, a Facebook locking profile only works for newly created account, okay? Or dummy account. So, yeah, that's how it works. So, I hope you learned something from this video. So, God bless and have a nice day.